Ahoy, you land lovers! How you feel about a wondrous trip on these waves? That'll be a wacky and wild adventure. Come on, no need to be lily-livered, or I'll walk on the plank bee for ya. Weigh the anchor. The letter name is W, and the sound is W. The letter name is W, and the sound is W. W is for water, wishing and washing in waves. W is for walrus full of webs to make you weep. W is for watermelon or wedge, or weak to win. The letter name is W, and the sound is W. The letter name is W, and the sound is W. W is for web in the witch's wicked well. W is for whale waving from a weather balloon. W is for window made of wood above the welcome mat. The letter name is W, and the sound is W. The letter name is W, and the sound is W.